morning to all traders. Kiwi surged overnight because the RBNZ not only kept interest unchanged while markets expected with 80% chance that there will be a cut. They also said that despite the fact that the economy is weak, commodity prices have been actually very firm, and with an exchange rate at low levels, this is most likely to support spending. So is in the medium term seen to be expecting RBNZ, their QE, to be supported by the most recent economic data and the economic situation in general. Now, dollar yen on the other side, we're going to explore in a minute. He didn't move much, to be honest, yesterday. We're expecting the president's speech to do something. He didn't mention anything about the trade war. And the truth is that the Cadlo, economic advisor as well, he didn't actually, when he was asked later, he didn't mention anything about a timeline on the US-China trade deal, so the things remain quite uncertain. Now, at the same time, there was a report from Fox Business saying that the US might go ahead and impose some auto tariffs in the European Union. That is going to be another interesting event to watch for the quarter. So starting with Kiwi, as I said before, from an economic fundamental perspective, it's expected to move higher. I see this also as a good opportunity. It's actually moving exactly as we expected, with and in the intermediate wave 5 down here. Now it seems like it's turning. So is this a reversal point? It could be the case. I will be honest. It looks like we are on the first and second wave, and we are heading up for wave 3, right, in the minor. That is going to take us around the end of this was going to take us around 67, 35 or so, and this is going to be intermediate wave 1. But the thing is, because this, although it looks impulsive, it is not as impulsive as not as it looks. It's just not as impulsive as I would expect to see at the reversal point, to be honest. So although I've labeled this up 1, 2, and 3, that could be actually turn out to be an ABC. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised. But whatever that case is, in the short term, we're expecting at least another 5-wave move to the upside. Okay. The RSI and also the MACD are supporting this view on the 2-hour chart. So we're most likely to go ahead with another push to the upside, break above the previous high, which is the wave 1, which is 0.6467. And before this, however, please note that since we are still trading below that low, I wouldn't be surprised if we see that becoming a double zigzag. Okay, so could turn out to be a WXY that is most likely going to go lower below the 50 Fibonacci retracement, okay, because we are standing at the 50 now, which is the 50 of these levels, the top, the bottom and the top. Could go down to 78.6 or so, or even lower, provided, of course, this becomes a more complex pattern, which I wouldn't be surprised if I saw happening. And then, of course, if that was the case, then we should be seeing a delay over here and then a move to the upside. Now, the other pair I want to talk about, the USDJPY. As I talked about Trump, we didn't see much on his speech, not much of hints for US trades. But today, we are expecting the Fed chair to speak, and this is going to move the markets for sure. Okay, now dollar yen is moving exactly as we were expecting as well. So we are currently moving up to complete wave 3, intermediate wave 3, 1, 2, and 3, which is gonna end. Actually, that should go a little higher than that. So yeah, wave 3 around the 113, anywhere between 113 and 114.70, to be honest, but more likely to be anywhere in the range above 113, 113.50s, right? The good round numbers. So we've done wave one. We've done a very nice, quiet, sharp wave two. So we're moving now. We're gonna go up for wave three, and wave four most likely to be a triangle pattern, since we've seen this correction being sharp, right? So wave four most likely to be a wave, a triangle pattern. And then from there, of course, we should be seeing prices to reaching fresh highs. Now, in the short term, of course, we're getting some very good signals from the RSI and MACD. Okay, both support bulls as we speak. So we've had now wave one, wave, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perhaps that would be the case, but no, the 5 has to be smaller than 3 because 1 is bigger than 3. Whatever the case is, I would be expecting the 109.3 or 5 even to break, okay, before we see any sort of upside move. But the truth is that seeing this as a 1, 2, I wouldn't be surprised if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 3, 4, and 5. Then we've got A, B, C. So we could see in the short term prices to move lower around 108, 300s or so, and then from there start looking for some good signals to the upside.